आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं द्रव्य गुण के पेपर 2 का आम्लकी के बारे में। यूजफुल पार्ट इज फल रसादि पंचक आम्लकी आम्ल स कषाय मधुरा च तस्य विपाको मधुरः वीर्यं शीत च. Its rasa is it consists of all the five rasas rasa pancharasa but it is amla pradhana lavana varjita. Next its guna is roksha guna lagu guna and saraguna. Vipaka is madhura vipaka, veera is shita veera. Pharmacological actions immunodilator, anti-carcinogenic, antioxidant, antimicrobial, anti-ulcerogenic, and dosha karma is tridosha hara, vata hara due to amla rasa, pitta hara due to shita veera and madhura vipaka, kapha hara due to ruksha guna kashaya rasa. These are the dosha karmas of the amlaki. Next is rogagnata, that is therapeutic indications, where amlaki is indicated. It is indicated as in prameha, jwara, raktapitta, kamala, shukra daurbalya, daha, chardi, bhanga, shofa, kesha vikara. Next is amaika prayoga. It is indicated in the prameha as a fresh juice mixed with the haridra. It is also indicated in jwara, that is juice extracted from amlaki fruit fried with ghee is very useful in jwara. And in pandu, amlaki churna mixed with honey is very effective. In kamala also it is indicated rakta pitta. In rakta pitta, amlaki churna mixed with more quantity of honey and sugar gives as virechana. It is very useful in rakta pitta. Next in hikka, as a juice of amlaki and kapita mixed with pippali churna and madhu controls the hikka. Next comes the kasa, amlaki churna boiled with milk and then taken with a ghee is very useful in kasa roga. Next it is also used in gouty arthritis, that is vatarakta, kashaya, that is decoction of amlaki and haridra are very useful in vatarakta. Next we discuss about the matra, that is dosage. If it is taken in the churna form, it should be taken 3 to 10 grams. In the form of kashaya, 30 to 100 ml, and as a swarasha, 10 to 20 ml. And the important phytoconstituents of amalaki. The important phytoconstituents are ellagic acid, amylic acid, next tannins, carbohydrates, proteins, fat, calcium. These are some of the phytoconstituents. In bark, it contains the tannins, that is 10 to 20%. In leaves, also tannin, that is 22%. It is rich source of vitamin C. It consists 600 mg per 100 gram. Next, some of the research updates. It is mainly act as a antimicrobial. Next is important formulations. Important formulations Amlaki Kashaya. It is indicated in Pitta Gulma, Amlaki Rasayana, Varnya, Buddhi Vardaka, Amlakya Avaleha, that is Pandu and Kamala, Amlakyadi Kwata, Sarvajvara Kafavikara. Next, Trifala Kwata, Trifala Gruta, these are also important formulations. Next is botanical names. Its botanical name is Embellica officinalis or Phyllanthus embellica. Embellica from Sanskrit Amlika, that is sour, officinalis available in the market. Family is Phyllantheaceae. Guna Vargikarana, according to Charaka, it is Kantagna Varga, Kasara Varga, and Virechanopaga Varga. According to Shushruta, Parushakadiguna, Amlakyadigana, Trifala, and Bhava Prakasha Nigantu, Haritakyadi Varga. Next is basonomy of drug. Amlaka, which protects the body by subsiding the aggravated dosha or the fruit is mainly sour to taste. The synonyms of these are Dhatrifala, Shrifala. These are some of the synonyms. Next comes the habitat. Its habitat it is mainly cultivated in Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Its morphology Amlaka fruit is globose and its fruit weighs 6 grams. Fruit season is Pushyamasa, that is November to December, or the fruits are auspicious. Amla purifies the body. Fruit is rejuvenating as Amrita. Amla rejuvenating as Amrita. And the juice of fruit is medicinally very useful. Fruit juice promotes dhatu and has similar properties as tanya. And Amlaka promotes longevity of life. And it also improves the Shukradhatu. Is fruit process the Shitavira. In Hindi it is called Avla. In Kannada, Nellikai or Malayalam it is Nelli Marathi Avle. Habitat it is cultivated throughout India are available widely. External morphology a small deciduous or middle sized tree with crooked trunk and spreading branches. Branchlets glabrous or finely pubescent. Its length is 10 to 20 centimeter long. Next, its leaves subsessile. Its leaves are subsessile 1 to 13 centimeter long and 2.5 to 3 mm wide and closely set along the branchlets. Its leaves are green, glabrous, narrowly linear, and having appearance of pinnate leaves, stipulate ovate, finely acute. Next comes the flowers. Its flowers are greenish yellow in axillary fascicles on leaf bearing branchlets. Male flowers are numerous and on short slender peduncles. Sepals are six as there three on short central column. Next flower. Greenish yellow in axillary fascicles on leaf bearing branchlets. Male flowers are numerous on short tender pedicles. Sepals 6 oblong obtuse. Next comes the female flowers. They are few subsessile ovary 3-celled. Next is fruit 1 to 1.5 centimeter in diameter, fleshy, globose with 6 obscure vertical furrows, pale yellow of 3 seeded. Seed is 6 and 3 gunas. Varieties Rajanigantu Amlaka, Kshuda Amlaka. 1 year small and hard, Gramya big, soft and fleshy. Next, Graya Lakshana. The Lakshanas which if they are in the Amlaki it is pure. A dried fruit is globular, subhexagonal up to 1.5 centimeter in diameter with a wrinkled surface of yellowish brown or grayish black color. Fruit breaks easily when it's broken, exposing a section of dried pulp and nut which contains triangular seed of yellowish brown color. Properties Haritaki Samam धा धात्रीफलं किन्तु विशेषताः रक्तपित्तप्रमेहघ्न परं वृष्यां